The super terrific happy hour. All right. International's starting to get a little momentum back. Let's take a look at this deal. My man sent this to me. I appreciate it very much. Um, you know who you are, my brother. Wow. Oh, wait. My bid range. Five left, people. Just five left. All right. Now, this is using code ITC 10%. All right. And then the $5 HNYITC5. 184 with the 5 down to 161. All right. Pretty good. Remember, the rigid is 159 with a 4. Another $10. You're getting the DEWALT with a 5. Not a bad deal, folks. Not a bad deal at all. Actually, this was the one he sent me and it sold out, so.
I'm having trouble connecting
Oh,
to
Alexa, you.
Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
She's really starting. Oh, here it is. This one might be it. Yeah, check this out, guys. So you got two choices here, guys. You want it with the battery, or do you want it 120, guys? $120. Nuclear. We've got nuclear. It's explosive. It's gonna explode.